In this question, we are given that a shopkeeper sold two products for 2000 rupees each. Okay, so let the first product be P1 and the selling price of the first product is rupees 2000, and the second product be P2 and the selling price of second product is again 2000. On the first, he made a profit of 10%. Okay, here he made a profit of 10%, and for the second one, he made a loss of 10%. 10% loss. What is the overall profit or loss? So first, we'll solve this by a traditional method, and then I'll show you a method of ratio percentages, and you will able to solve this within seconds. Well, we'll just go by some different way. So it's given that the selling price is 2000 and he has made a profit. So how can we calculate profit? That is selling price minus cost price. So we know that selling price is 2000. We don't know the cost price. Okay. Now we know that profit percentage is 10%. We can calculate profit. The formula for profit percentage is P upon CP into 100. What is profit percentage? 10% is equals to P upon CP upon, this comes out to be 1 by 10. So this means P is equals to 10 CP. Wait, no, this equals to be 10 P is equals to C. So we'll substitute the value here. P is equals to 2000 minus what we can write instead of CP, 10P. This adds up and becomes 11P is equals to 2000, or the P, that is profit, is 2000 by 11. Now from here we'll calculate the loss again. What is the formula for loss? Loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. We don't know the loss and we don't know the cost price, but we know the selling price, that is 2000. Now we know the loss percentage. Loss percentage is calculated as loss upon CP into 100. Loss percentage is 10 upon 100 is equals to L upon CP, or we get CP is equals to 10L. We'll substitute it again. L is equals to 10L minus 2000, or 2000 is equals to 9L, or loss is 2000 divided by 9. So they were asking what is the overall profit or overall loss. So there is overall loss. How much? Just see, you have a loss of 2000 by 9 rupees and a profit of 2000 of by 11. Just subtract and you will get the overall loss. So 2000 upon 9 minus 2000 upon 11. Take the LCM, you will get this as 99. You will get the LCM as 99, and this amounts to 22,000 minus this amounts to 18,000. 4,000 divided by 99. This is the overall loss. Now this was the first method. Now we'll go by the different method, that is small, somehow small. Yes. Wait, let me rub and I'll explain it to you again. See, it was given that on the first product he had earned 10% profit. What is the fraction of 10% in we know that the fraction of 10% is 1 by 10, and we know that profit is calculated on the cost price. This means 10 is the cost price and 1 is the profit. I can write it down as cost price as 10, profit as 1, and the selling price would become 11. But according to question, the selling price was 2000. Okay, so how can we calculate the profit for 11 in how do we get 2000? We can write this in ratio. I don't know the x, so 1 upon x is equals to 11 upon 2000. So I'll get the profit again as 2000 by 11. We are getting the same number again, and we'll again go for loss. What is the fraction of 10%? 1 by 10. Loss is calculated upon CP, and this is loss. So CP would be 10, loss is 1, so the selling price would be 9. But in our case it was 2000. We would take this as y. So again the fraction would be 1 upon y is equals to 9 by 2000, or y would amount to 2000 divided by 9. So y is the loss and x is the profit. So overall it will come out to be again the same value, y and x. So you will subtract y minus x and you will get the overall loss, that was 4000 divided by 99. Thank you.